Right, I'm Colin Beggan, and as I said yesterday, I don't look like a first-year student of anything really. But believe it or not, this is a new reality. I'm on this course, and that's what I am, first-year student on the music course. So I'm going to sing a song now, which is quite appropriate really to the causes that we're supporting tonight, and this is about a man who's losing his mind, and it's actually a love story written by a songwriter in New York in the 1970s called John Peter Smith. Not much known for much else, but Megan McClancy, I think, made this song their own really, and popularized it widely. So he had a great success with that. I'm sure the royalties are still pouring in. It's called The Dutchman, and it deals with somebody drifting away in their minds. The Dutchman's not the kind of man who keeps his tongue jammed in the down, that holds his dreams in. But that's a secret only Margaret knows. When Amsterdam was golden, in the morning Margaret brings him breakfast. She believes him. He thinks the tulips bloom beneath the snow. He's mad as he can be, but Margaret only sees that sometimes. Sometimes she sees our unborn children in his eyes. Let us go to the banks of the ocean, where the walls rise above the silent sea. Long ago I used to be a young man, and dear Margaret remembers that for me. The Dutchman stills wear wooden shoes, his hat and coat are patched with love that Margaret sewed in. Sometimes he thinks he's still in Rotterdam. He watches tugboats down canals and calls out to them when he thinks he knows the captain. Till Margaret comes to take him home again, through unforgiving streets that trip him though he holds her arm. Sometimes he thinks that he's alone, calls her name. Let us go to the banks of the ocean, where the walls rise above the silent sea. Long ago I used to be a young man, and dear Margaret remembers that for me. Whirls the windmills round, she pulls his muffler tighter. They sit in the kitchen, and the tea with whiskey keeps away the dew. He sees her for a moment, calls her name, she makes his bed up, singing, son, old love song. She learned it when the tune was very new. She sings a line or two, they hum together in the night. The Dutchman falls asleep and Margaret blows the candle out. Let us go to the banks of the ocean, where the walls rise above the Tiger Sea. Long ago, I used to be a young man, and dear Margaret remembers that for me. Let us go to the banks of the ocean, where the walls rise above the Tiger Sea. Long ago, I used to be a young man, and dear Margaret remembers that for me.